Hey, I'm here with the dehumidifier. This is a 50 pint version, and it can work in a room up to 4,500 square feet, which is huge. That's a lot of space. I purchased this model because our basement has a lot of leaks and stuff and seepage during the rainy season in the spring. So we were having issues with mold with any kind of clothing that we left down there, and we wanted to get rid of that. This one is great because it has a manual storage unit for the water where it can pull this out and drain the water. Or the best feature about this is I can actually hook this up to auto drain. So if I take a look down here, it shows you in the picture that there's a hose that can be, I think it's attached like right here. This is where the hose attachment goes. And so basically when this fills up from removing the moisture in the air, it can be disposed of through a drain on the ground, or if you have another container that you want to have available for this to drain out. So you don't actually have to constantly change this if you don't want to. You can actually set it up to be a little bit more self-sufficient, which is fantastic. Now I will turn this on so you can hear how it sounds, and I'll show you some of the features. Okay, so this model has all the buttons on the top here. So if I press power here, and it's telling me 𝐷EHU, that's the dehumidifier. It's set to this right now, but I can change it to any other setting. So there's 70, 80, 30. There's all different settings here. There's also a low and a high speed on the fan. So if I put it on low, and let's see, I put it on the dry mode right now, it should start up. There you go. And if you listen carefully, it's not that loud. It's actually nice. It's not like a honking engine that's like making a lot of noise. This is actually pretty quiet for a dehumidifier, which is fantastic. So it has a timer if you'd like to start this later. And like I said, it has a dehumidify, dry, and continuous mode. So if I wanted, it says 𝐶ONT here, if I wanted to just keep working at all times to maintain that moisture in the air, I can do that. Or I could just have it set for only certain periods of time, and it's pretty easy to work. It also has a handle here, so if you need to carry it and put it on something, you can, which is great. So I'm going to turn that off now. And that is the dehumidifier.